All right, tell me about your other hunk of junk here.
2013 WRX STI.
How about before you start it, you say what's on the exhaust?
Grim speed. Turbo up pipe. Catted down pipe. And Perrin catback exhaust.
You might have to say that all a little bit louder. It's like, yeah, we're like 10 miles away here. What'd you say?
Grim speed up pipe. Catted down pipe with Perrin catback.
All right.
Tuned on 93.
Tuned on 93. Tuned on 93. What'd you say? Need me to spot you? It's your first time driving this? Hey, you want to use your backup camera? Don't have one.
I don't want to bottom out.
You're fine. You got a rally car, don't you? That's good. You're good.